Welcome friends. So here today you are going to learn something new, that is how to construct 85 degree. How to construct 85 degree and 95 degree. It's very simple and easiest way, but we require geometrical instruments. Without protractor we need to draw with the help of compasses. First of all, you can take a ruler and draw a line, straight line. Now this line we can assume a center point O, and with a radius generally we used to take 3 centimeter. How much? 3. If you want to take 2 or whatever you want, you can take it, but I generally take 3. So draw a semicircle. Okay, name this point as A and this one as B. Now we know that the measurement same from B as center will give us 60 degree, and taking this we will get 120 degree. So we can name these 2 points as C and D. Okay, continue. Now taking C as center, I can draw an arc like this, and from D if I draw, it will give you 90 degree. Okay, so I draw a dotted line which will give me, clear, 90 degree, and here at intersecting point. So this is 60, this is 90. इनका between bisector लूँगा तो 75 मिल जाएगा. Now but we want to take 85 degree. So let's see. So we have taken this point of intersection 90 degree over here, and from this point I draw an mark over here, same radius 3 centimeter, and name this point. इसका continue में नाम दे दे. So this will be E, this will be F, this will be G. So bisector same measurement. Okay, now bisector of F and G. Bisector of F and G will give me some measurement. I will just, and again dotted line, clear, with the pencil only, so we can do it changes if we require. A dotted line with the help of pencil, and here at semicircle there will be some intersection. Now see, with the help of protractor, let's measure what we are getting. So sir, we are getting 80 degree. What we are getting? This one 80 degree, this one 90 degree. So 80 और 90 के बीच में डिफरेंस है 10 डिग्री. 10 डिग्री का बाइसेक्टर मीन्स हाफ हो जाएगा 5 डिग्री. तो 80 + 5 85. सो सेम रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर वाला भी ले सकते. तो पॉइंट यहाँ पर जो नया पॉइंट मिला हमको इंटरसेक्टिंग, ओके, ये जो था इसका जी के ABCD EFGH, ये पॉइंट का नाम दे देते हैं I. दिस इज 80 डिग्री, this is 90 degree, and the between of these two will be 85. So from E and I need to do a bisector of it. I will get a point, intersecting point. I can take the radius whatever as you feel. See here, like this, and from same measurement like this. So from both these point I will get an intersecting point. Obviously I am getting over here. क्लियर, थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो सकता है, मे बी. because we are human beings, कहीं पे manual error can be, but मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ पे आ गया. So using protector we can just measure it out. Clear to you? This one 85 degree, this one 85 degree. Okay, see zero straight मिल रहा है, सब मिल रहा है. Okay, fine. So this will help you to construct. Okay, so this portion from here to here 85 degree, so obviously the opposite portion from here 95 degree, together it will be 180. Clear?